Some collaborations begin with a project, while others begin with a shared belief. And every memorable space begins with an idea. This is the story of living after performance.
Hello, aku Joel, the Principal Interior Design in Kantor GG. Jadi di event kali ini konsep kita adalah living after performance, karena kita kepingin banget untuk create spaces di mana orang-orang itu bisa recover after their day-to-day activities in this space, sehingga mereka ketika pulang itu mereka tuh bisa merasakan fresh kembali. Nah, di space ini konsep kita adalah space di mana yang akan bisa membantu orang-orang itu create connection, create collaboration. Karena after a long day interacting with only screens or with the tablets or maybe TV screens as well, people pasti kepengen pulang ke sebuah space di mana they can enjoy the space and they can also enjoy creating connection in that space. Di event ini kita disupport oleh dua core vendors, yaitu Tuscany Stone Boutique dan juga Molteni NC. And one of the main challenges that we face adalah kita perlu mentransform what used to be a warehouse. The day-to-day is a warehouse to showcase Tuscany collection of marbles, and it needs to be transformed into a space yang bisa create connection, create collaboration in order to support living after performance.
Bringing that vision to life required more than just thoughtful design. It required a material that could stand the test of time and a partner who shared the same values.
Dan di event kali ini, Tuscany memberikan kita kesempatan untuk create a few marble pieces, customized marble pieces, specialized untuk event ini aja, yang untuk showcase their capabilities as well.
Together, that shared vision became the foundation of a collaboration, one that will take shape through 3 bespoke marble creations.
Let's talk about the far table. First, Tuscany is really great. Tuscany come up ke kita dengan few different marble options. But for the far table, we decided to go with the Bulgari marble.
Material Bulgari Black ini memiliki warna dasar yang hitam dan juga memiliki suatu keunikan Brescia marble yang memiliki suatu paint warna putih untuk desain yang di-develop oleh kantor GG.
The far table consisted of 3 different dining table. I mean, not different, they similar, but then they also different because the pattern of that natural stone is not the same between those tables. That's why we call it different. We have it in 3 different tables because we want to create a long table, hence the name far table, that can fit about 40 people, where we can dine together, so then it can become a communal dining table where people eat, but not just eating. They will also talk, they will also have a chat, so that people can create connection in between the meals while they're having their dinner.
Tantangan kali ini terletak pada ukuran meja yang cukup masif dan desain yang cukup rumit. Untuk itu, kami dan tim produksi bersama-sama memformulasikan suatu cara modular assembly, starting dari kaki mejanya, kita menggunakan plat besi, lalu kita juga meletakkan top table yang piece by piece yang diminta oleh tim desainer untuk membuat suatu ilusi slab marble.
Within the Sightline collection, every horizontal layer represents the many people behind every meaningful project. From designers, artisans, to fabricators, engineers, suppliers, and craftsmen. Together, they form a single piece, just as every great space is shaped through collaboration. The far table marked the heart of the Sightline collection, but it was only one chapter of a larger story.
Next is the Horizon 1 and Horizon 2, the pedestal. Akhirnya kita pilih the green one, the green marbles.
Yang membuat Green Forest Marble ini cukup unik, karakteristiknya yaitu serpentinite. Serpentinite merupakan suatu material marmer yang terbuat pada sea floor. Material ini cukup unik karena punya kekuatan yang hampir serupa dengan granit. Oleh karena itu, untuk membuat sculptural pedestal ini, kami menggunakan teknik leather finishing yang juga memberikan suatu kesan tekstur berbeda pada permukaan batu ini.
Okay, Horizon 1 is slightly bigger than Horizon 2 because we put that in the transition area after people comes into the space. We want that to be the feature where we put the tapper, so then people come in, it's become a volume, it become like a centerpiece of the space where people can actually see and enjoy, as well as picking up their appetizer as they go into this space. Meanwhile, Horizon 2 is smaller because we want to put portfolios or even artworks, small artworks where we put near the dining table, so then people can also enjoy that art piece and also enjoy our company portfolio that plays on top of Horizon 2.
Together, these bespoke creations extended the philosophy of living after performance beyond the dining experience, proving that meaningful design isn't defined by a single centerpiece, but by every thoughtful interaction along the way. Now we're moving on to the next bespoke installation that was created for a different kind of gathering.
The Quiet Corner. Well, the Quiet Corner is a space within a space because we have a constraint with this one. There is an existing raised platform in the warehouse, in Tuscany warehouse. It connects with sort of like a window. And then we think, how can we create an interesting space out of this corner? Hence, we created the Quiet Corner. So we put a marble partition. We combine two different marble patterns on that one.
Material yang digunakan untuk partition ini merupakan material Infinity Grey dan juga Beige Notre Dame. Untuk Quiet Corner kali ini, kami juga dibantu oleh Molteni untuk mendekor areanya dengan linear armchair,
where people can sit comfortably. That's why people can rest in the quiet corner, where people can have a bit more private time within themselves, as well as they can have a more private conversation between just two individuals in that space. So, and then we are very happy when we looked at that quiet corner. We know that that space actually turned out really well, become a corner to recover from the social interactions that we have throughout living after performance. Well, this event is about collaboration, so it started way before the event actually being held. The process of this started 5 months ago when we first, Kantor GG and Game Plan, we as a team, we get together to plan about this event. And we are thankful for our team that can really collaborate together before we actually engage on the vendors that will be on this event. And we're also thankful for the vendors as well, because Tuscany, that specialized custom item that being produced by Tuscany, that took about 3 months before the event. And with the coordination and the collaboration, the online meetings that we have, as well as the site visits that our team did before the event, this all make it possible that we can create these pieces for this event. With Molteni, we also talked with them quite a few times. Their team also accompanied us to come and do the site visit when we check Tuscany warehouse. So we're grateful because we ourselves now, we're not just Kantor Gunawan and Game Plan, but we also become a team with Tuscany and Molteni with other supporting vendors to create an experience where people can enjoy living out the performance. We hope that our guests who are invited to this event, you enjoy the space. See you. Finally, the D-Day arrived, and now it is time to welcome all of you into Signature Spaces 01, the living after performance.
I think the most rewarding moment is when the space is brought to life. Pada akhirnya, setelah persiapan yang cukup panjang oleh semua tim, kami dapat menyambut tamu-tamu undangan pada malam hari ini.
eventnya kayak gimana dari Pak Alvin?
Pak Calvin dulu.
Wah, acaranya sangat seru ya. Kelihatan semua orang sangat enjoy, space-nya juga sangat immersive, sangat well put together, and I think it's all thanks to Joel.
Ya sama, I think kesannya itu warm. Collaboration itu terjadi di dalam event ini, jadi ya bersyukur kita bisa create sebuah event yang intimate tapi juga professional, sehingga untuk Molteni dan juga untuk Tuscany dan semua brand yang support yang lainnya, I think this is a good awareness ke yang lainnya, sehingga kita nantinya semestinya akan ada collaboration berikutnya gitu sih.
Okay, so in this venue, kalau Pak Joel favorite piece-nya apa?
Wah, kita harus describe ya. Jadi kita ada Plin being produced by Tuscany in a leathered finish, flame leathered finish. DCNC piece by piece. I think it come up really well. It looks really luxurious. That's one of my favorite piece yang ada di exhibition ini sih, seperti itu.
Kalau Pak Alvin?
I think for me, my favorite piece itu would be the dining table ya. Dining table-nya come up really nice, very grand, very bold. I think just as how kantor GG wants it.
How do you describe this collaboration in one word?
I think one word to describe this event would be apa ya? Outstanding. Outstanding. Wah.
Thank you, Pak. Kalau dari saya mungkin welcoming. Jadi buat Tuscany, thank you Pak supportnya dari day one, dan terutama udah create those pieces yang harus dibuat. Jadi to showcase ternyata Tuscany very capable of creating this stuff. Jadi thank you banget Pak. Terus yang kedua, thank you juga untuk the marble collection yang kita tahu bahwa some of them is your special collection. Jadi kita thank you banget dan feel very privileged kalau kita dibolehin untuk pakai barang itu gitu ya. An important note, lupa tadi ada satu marble di depan, nanti boleh di show gitu ya. Namanya Pablo Picasso, itu special collection dari papanya Pak Calvin, which is very nice gitu kan. Itu not your everyday marble dan we get to showcase it in the entry. I think it's a good welcome point dan it's a good wow factor juga Pak di sana. Thank you Pak.
Yeah, for me, thank you ya Pak Joel ke kantor GG. I think it's a very good opportunity for us to test our limits juga, while also giving a very special experience juga ke kantor GG's clients, ke vendors, ke collaborators, and actually our attendees buat actually experience and have a first look nih at a lot of the stuff yang for us maybe not everybody in the market gets to see in their everyday life. Yeah, okay, thank you so much Pak Joel.
You're welcome, Pak.
Thank you.
Great spaces are never created by one person alone. They are shaped by ideas, built through trust, and brought to life by the people who believe in them.
The event may have come to an end, but the collaboration, the memories, and the stories created together will continue to live on.
Your plan, our game plan.